Hey guys, make sure you have your boxing gloves on. I want you to turn your hands over so the top of your hands are facing each other. These are going to be can openers. We're going for 20 reps. We're just going to get the shoulders warmed up here. Good job. Just keep that going strong. Make sure to really keep those hands turned over so your thumbs are facing down. Just keep going till you get to that 20 reps. Good. There's 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good. Okay, now you're just going to do lateral raises. Just coming straight out to the side. No, it doesn't seem like boxing gloves weigh that much. I know they're only 12, 14, 16 ounces, but that's just enough to burn those shoulders out with all these reps. So you will start to feel the burn. So keep it going strong. 19 and 20. Okay, now we're going to move into supine lat raises. That means your palms are facing up. We're going to go 20 reps on here. Just keep it nice and controlled. You should really start feeling a burn in those shoulders. Just pushing blood into there so you're less prone to injury. Okay, good. Just keep that going strong, going for 20 reps. Perfect. Okay, nice strong finish. Perfect. Okay, next we're going to front raises. You're just raising those hands right up in front of you. Palms are facing down. This is going to work the front part of the delt. We're still warming up here, so just keep that moving. Doing great. Just keep that going strong. Good job. Just finish these up. And 20. Perfect. Okay, next one, you're going to bend forward and you're just going to bring your hands back, kind of like a reverse fly. You're just going to be bent at the hips. I want a slight bend in your knees. Keep your chest out so that your back stays straight. And you're just coming back, working the rear delt, back part of that shoulder. Good, just keeping this strong, keep it going. We're almost done with our warm-up. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna go into some overhead tricep presses. What I want you to do is keep your elbows high and just let those hands drop back down to the back of the ear and then come back up. You're going to feel this on the back part of your arm, the tricep muscles. We're going to go 20 reps on here as well. We're doing real high rep on everything just to get a lot of blood into the shoulders, get nice and warm. All right, 20 reps. Good job. Now we're going into bicep curls. You're going to pretend you're holding dumbbells and just curl like you're curling the weights up, but you're not actually holding weights. You're still just using the boxing gloves as your weight. This is going to work those biceps, the front part of the arms. You should feel all that blood pumping into that muscle there. We're going 20 reps on these ones as well. Good job. Okay, I'm going to give you a little break on your arms. We're going to take kind of a wide stance, toes slightly turned out, and you're just going to squat down to about 90 degrees. If you can't get quite to 90 degrees, that's okay. Just come as low down as you can come while it's still comfortable for you. We're just going 10 reps on this. All right, perfect. Just getting a little blood flow into the legs here. Okay, just kind of shake it out a little bit. I know everything's probably burning. Okay, so now we're getting into the real stuff. Okay, you're gonna punch across the body. You're just gonna punch straight out. I want you to try to keep those hands high so you stay even with shoulder height. Now we're gonna punch across. We're going downward. So you're punching down to the ground. We're still crossing the body. This is perfect. We're going to be going 20 reps on all these exercises. Good, perfect. Okay, now we're going across, but we're punching upward. Still going across the body. Perfect. You're going to really feel this through the shoulders, but the important part is we are crossing the body, which is great for Parkinson's patients. Okay, now you're going to keep your elbows high, and we're still going up, but we're going straight up and over to the side. We're still crossing, but we're going like we're punching up to the ceiling, straight up there. Okay, next, we're going back down again. Okay, we're going across the body and we're punching down. Good, just keep this going strong, just keep moving. If you can't do it quite as fast as what I'm doing in the video, that's okay. Just go at your own pace. All right, next, we're going for uppercuts. So we're doing the uppercuts, but we're still coming across the body. So you're just coming up and across. Perfect, going 20 reps again. All right, now we're gonna go hooks. We're coming across the body with hooks. You're kind of twisting at the hips. All right, going 20 reps on here also. Perfect, just keep that going strong. Just keep moving on all these exercises. Okay, we're going back to straight punches across the body again. Try to keep those hands at shoulder height. Want to keep them up high. I know your shoulders are probably getting tired, but just keep on moving. All right, we're punching up and to the side again. We're coming across and punching upward. Perfect, still going 20 reps. All right, good job everyone. You guys are doing great. Okay, now we're going back to hooks. I know we're repeating a lot of this, but we're just gonna keep going. This is a 12-minute workout and this is awesome. All this stuff is really gonna help you. It's just so important that you're moving. All right, now we got our hands up again. Now we're punching up to the ceiling again. Just straight up and over to the side, just like we're crossing over above the head. This is really good for you guys. It's really good. All right, we're going back to regular straight punches again across the body. I know we keep repeating, but this is what it takes. This is what's going to set you apart. This is so great that you guys are doing this. You're not sitting around on the couch. You're up and you're moving and you're putting the work in. All right, we're going to uppercuts again. We're doing uppercuts across the body. Just keep on moving. Good. Going to 20. All right, after you finish those 20 reps, I just want you to kind of shake it out a little bit. Get ready for our next one. Okay, now this is a new one. One hand is going to come up to the front while the other hand is coming out to the side. Now just take your time with these ones at the beginning because these are a little weird when you first start learning them. I know it took me a little while to get used to these when I first started doing them. One arm is doing one thing while the other arm is doing something else. Okay, now we're going to go to straight punches across the body again. Okay, ready? Now make sure to keep those hands at shoulder height. I don't want those hands dropping down low. Make sure to keep those up. That's one of the hardest parts when your shoulders start getting fatigued is to keep those hands high. All right, now we're going down, punching down and across the body again. Perfect, going another 20 reps. All right, you guys are doing great. You're probably becoming pros at this now because we're repeating the same things over and over. All right, we're into hooks, coming across the body. This is great. Just keep it moving. Even if you're getting tired, just keep moving across the body. It's okay if you can't go too fast. You just keep on moving. All right, we're back to straight punches across the body again. Keeping those hands high. Make sure you're always breathing. Never want to hold your breath when you're working out, okay? You want to keep breathing. When you exhale all the carbon dioxide, and when you inhale, you bring in oxygen to those working muscles, which helps them work better. All right, doing great. We're coming across the body, doing uppercuts again. Okay, next, we're going into squats. You're coming down just to 90 degrees. You don't need to go further than 90 degrees. And if you can't quite come to 90 degrees, that's okay. Just come however low down that you can come. You want that wide stance and your toes slightly turned out a bit. All right, perfect. Going straight punches across the body again. However, this time I really want you to reach it. Try to reach as far as you can across that body. I want you to get that stretch in. Really reach it, reach it, reach it. Perfect. See how I'm pivoting on that back foot so I can reach a little further. Okay, next we're gonna do twists, but I want those elbows like they're glued to your side. I want them staying in nice and tight. Just twist in a tight position. Keep your abs tight. Okay, we're back to overhead punches. We're going over the head and across, but we're reaching again. I really want you to reach up there as high as you can. Just really feel that stretch. All right, perfect. Going 20 reps on there. Okay, next. We're going uppercuts. Okay, here we go. Uppercuts across the body. I'm sorry I took the counting off the screen, but I just want you to focus on just the movement. Don't even worry about the numbers. Just keep going. All right. Okay, now we're going to kind of start cooling down. I want you to do kind of like a hook, but it's a loose hook. Like you're just coming out, coming across. We're just kind of letting everything cool down. Okay, and now we're coming across the body, but with straight arms. It's kind of like you're just bringing your thumb across to the other side of your body to touch the outside of your arm. We're just getting everything all stretched out. This is kind of a form of dynamic stretching, which means stretching with movement. All right, perfect. Just keep that going. Shake it out a little bit. And that's it. Thank you. You guys did a great job today. Make it a great day.